Today we're looking at this LeetCode problem 64 minimum path sum given an M and X grid filled with non-negative numbers. Find a path from top left to bottom right which minimizes the sum of all the numbers along the path. You can only move either either down or right at any point in time. So in this example, basically you go this way, and for this one, it's probably yeah, it's probably this way. Go 3, 6, and then come in 6 and get 12. If you go 5, 5, 10, that's 16. Um, so the way to go about this one is you kind of have to do it in two phases. Um, you you kind of have to let's see if we have this here. Um, I mean, the first phase would be to let's see if we have this. Just copy that and let's just put that here. And the first one is to basically go because what it's saying is you can only go down and right is basically means you can only look up and to the left to get the values. So if it's one here, what we do is you look at the one at the back because if you look at this row, you can only look at the back. So that's 3 plus 1 is going to be 4, and then if you look at this one, that could be uh, that would be 5 here. And Similarly, the second step would be we'll fill up this column, and the column would say this should be 2, and 2 plus 4 is going to be 6 then. And then once this part is done, we can come to this one. Let's just so if we start off, we could just say int m is equal to grid dot length, and we'd say int n is going to be the length of this one. So first, if we calculate the values on this grid, we say for int I is equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. So we say grid, uh, so it's going to be the 0th row, and the column is going to be plus equal to uh, uh, grid 0 I minus 1. So since we start off with the 1, we'll come here, we'll calculate the values of the uh, uh, we'll calculate the values of this first row, and we'll get these values. Similarly, we can do for the column is equal to 1, we go I less than m, I plus plus, let me say grid d grid I say 0 plus equal to grid I minus 1, let's say 0 here. So once that, we calculate the values on the columns, and then we basically have to look at this value here, and we compute the last the the rest of the squares. So we say 4 and I is equal to 1, I less than m, I plus plus, and we say for int j is equal to 1, j less than n, j plus plus, and we say grid j plus equal to, because we have to, we're doing plus equal because we need to add the values to the previous one. And what we have to do to get the minimum one, we have to do the math dot. We have to get the minimum value of we'll say uh, grid. So it's grid I and j. Uh, so let's just say grid I minus 1. So one row back, the top menu, and j minus 1. And this will more or less go with the null set. So we have 5 over here, and the 5 is going to be 7, and come over here. This is going to be 6, because 5 plus 1 is going to be 6. Then we come over here. This is going to be 6 plus 1 is going to be 7, and 6 plus 1 is going to be 7 here again. So, and then in the end, we'll just have to return grid, and say m minus 1, because we want to get the is the 0 best index, and we'll get the value. Let's try that out. And what am I missing here? So this is going to be I is equal to 1. And we're able to pass the main test. Let's just submit this to see if there are any edge cases, and we're able to solve this.